Hey guys, this is Shreya and I'm back with another video on this DIY series on my channel, The Art of Beauty and Wellness. Most of the people who have oily skin are prone to acne. Most of the people with oily skin try to avoid makeup because it turns out to be cakey or uneven finish, and sometimes it may turn out as a breakout as well. Even I have the same problem of uneven and cakey makeup. So today I'll be sharing with you this DIY makeup setting spray for oily skin, which not only sets your makeup giving you that flawless texture on your skin, but also soothes and refreshes your skin, giving you flawless and acne-free skin even if you apply your makeup regularly. You can use this spray before and after applying to the makeup, as it creates protective shield on your skin and on your makeup. And the best part of this spray is it's totally inexpensive and very easy to make. So let's quickly check the video. But before checking the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it now and hit the bell icon to get notified for my latest upcoming videos.
The first thing you require is half cup of hot water and 1 green tea bag or 1 teaspoon of green tea. Dip the green tea in hot water for few minutes until the extract of green tea are in the water. Now keep it aside for few minutes. Green tea has tons of antioxidants. It protects your skin from free radicals, which causes wrinkles. It helps soothe acne-induced inflammation, which oily skin people suffer mostly from. In an empty spraying bottle, add 2 to 3 teaspoons of glycerin if you have oily skin or combinational skin, and take 4 to 5 teaspoons for dry or normal skin. As glycerin is one of the best natural hydrating ingredient you can ever use on your skin, especially for sealing in the applied makeup products. Add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel to the spray bottle. Aloe vera is natural astringent which absorbs excess oil, sebum and dirt from the skin. Hydrating properties of aloe vera moisturizes the skin and rejuvenates it without making it oily. The cooling and anti-inflammatory properties soothes the skin and cures pimples associated with oily skin. Now add any essential oil of your choice like tea tree oil, lavender oil, argan oil, peppermint oil. Any of these oils are best for oily skin. I personally like lavender oil, so I am adding 2 to 3 drops of lavender essential oil. As lavender oil is commonly used for reducing anxiety, emotional stress, and improving sleep, in our makeup setting spray, it helps in restore the complexion of skin, helping prevent acne. It also has powerful antioxidant that slows the aging process. Now fill the remaining bottle with green tea water and close the lid. Shake well before use. Spray all over your face, neck and even hands to get all the soothing effects. Spray it from few inches away and let it air dry on your skin. You can use the spray anytime whenever you feel dull and tired, and pamper yourself with relaxing and soothing effect. Hope you like this video. Please comment down how did you like this DIY and try it if you have oily skin like me. I'm sure you will like the results. See you in my next video. Bye.